opportunity is boundless. The way to go is to have the courage to step out of your comfort zone. If you really have the drive, this is the place for you.
The speakers were so passionate, sharing all their stories and everything. If you also introduce the ERA Sales Plus app, you look forward to my growth with ERA.
To understand and feel the culture and the support system that the company or ERA as a whole has been providing as a platform, I think these are fantastic.
Once you come on board, you are not alone. There are various departments from training, the admin, HR, compliances. All these are able to really handhold the agent. They are able to give them the practical experience to guide them.
I choose ERA.
I feel home, most importantly.
Come choose ERA. Looking forward to see you.